Simple components of a drawer. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all how I do my spacing and get my runners for my drawers so that they will slide easily. Now, of course, you already have to have the other drawer in, and then this is what we do right here. Alright, so we got the drawer bottom on, and we got our spacers, and that'll tell us that we have enough clearance for both drawers to open without hitting each other. Okay, so now we have the drawer back in, and we have our slides right here. So we have the spacers, and now we can tell where we want to put our drawer slides. So we place these in. And this will give me a good indication of where I need to place this on the drawer, so that this supports it and it's able to slide in and out. And I'll do that on both sides. I just use a couple of these so that can keep me on point. Now that I have the measurements correct and the drawer slides freely, I'm just going to anchor it with some more screws at this point. Make sure we line it up with the ones behind it so that it's nice and straight. Alright, y'all, so we're just going to screw the face to the drawer. There you have it. Okay, y'all, so we got all our drawers put in the miter saw station, and now basically only thing we got to do is put some knobs on them. All right, so let's do that. That is not true. Alright, so I chose the ones I wanted. They just need a little bit of cleanup, a little bit of sanding. Okay, so now they're all sanded, nice and smooth and pretty. To prepare our knobs for installation, I'm just going to do a countersink. See how it leaves kind of like a little star shape? Alright, so what we want to do is get center for our drawer. And put a little piece of tape there so that can stay there. Our drawer is 21 inches. So that's going to be 10 and a half. So we'll mark right here. 10 and a half. Put a little X there. Alright. And then we want to, our drawer height is 8 inches. So we're going to mark at 4. And we will get that right there. So that is where our center point for our drawer will be. Now, so I don't have to do this for every single drawer. This is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to take my center point, make sure that I am level, and I can do a reasonable, at least I'll know the center point, and that they will all be in the same place. Operational. And we are finished. We have our drawers put in, our knobs. I even have a space for my table saw, jigs. Now, aren't you proud of yourselves? All right, let's take a look at what we have done. The miter saw station is now at a more manageable height for me, and I have plenty of storage. Dust collection is at my fingertips. It is on wheels so that we can move it around the shop if need be. Simple but fully functioning drawers. Knobs made from just leftover pieces of wood. Miter saw sits perfectly even and flat. I have some work surface here. Electrical